stop. Now in your test, you may or may not ask to do the emergency braking or control braking. The rules have changed, so now less people do this on the test. Okay. Nevertheless, you got to learn this anyway. What is an emergency braking? What do you think?
Have to stop for because of some emergency. So
if you drive in the car and that road user, the cyclist, come right in front of you, what are you going to do quickly?
Stop.
You're going to react faster.
Yeah.
And how are you going to stop? You're going to press the brake very quickly, isn't it? Yeah. So what they're looking for, fast reaction.
Okay.
They're not looking for gentle, like millisecond reaction. Imagine yourself if you're driving. I have to give you this example because that is extreme, but this is what you understand. And your children comes out front of your car. What are you going to do? You're going to react faster or slower? Faster, because you don't want somebody to get hurt, isn't it? Now, before we do that, do we have enough time to look our mirrors that time? No. In emergency braking, we don't. Now, what will happen? Examiner will make you park your car on the left like I did. And then examiner will give you a small briefing. In the briefing, examiner will say to you that in a minute, I would like you to do an emergency braking or control braking. And then examiner say to you, I would like to drive off when you're ready. Then examiner say to you that before I say stop, I will check the mirror, make sure that nobody behind is coming, because end of the day, this is a control braking.
Okay.
Not something real, so they have to do the safety checks. So examiner will check the mirror first.
Okay.
Then finally, before he says stop, the examiners will do the blind spots check, make sure there's no motorcyclists undertaking or overtaking though. Once the examiner is satisfied, they say to you stop, and then at the same time you react quickly.
Okay.
Now, for example, imagine I am driving the car, so my feet on the accelerator. You tell me to stop. Let's say stop, and watch my reaction. So I'm driving the car. You need to say stop.
Stop.
Can you see how fast my reaction was?
Yes.
Now that is a good reaction. We're going to do this again. I'll show you the slow reaction. Tell me to stop again.
Stop. Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yes.
So what will happen in the seat? Look at the seat belt goes all the way there. When we do emergency braking, it will be like this. This is how it should be, because it will prevent hitting you on the steering or hitting anything else in the car. Is that clear?
Okay.
Shall we do it?
Yeah.
So when we're going to start driving, I will tell you to stop and I need to see a fast reaction. Do you do your mirrors before braking? Now, once the emergency braking is done, you will be in the middle of the road. What will happen then? Can you carry on sitting with the press down, or you better to secure the car? What do you think is safer? Should you go to the park?
If I'm in the middle of the road.
Well, think about it. Somebody on the road. There's a kid on the road. So you just...
Then park.
I would, isn't it?
Yes.
If it's
in the real situation.
in the real situation. Now again, on the test day, whether you do it or not, it's up to you. But make sure once you have completely stopped, you should not move your car until the examiner say to you, thank you very much. I will not ask you to do this exercise again. Drive off when you're ready. At that point, you must then go to the drive. If you're in a park, you must check your mirrors, signal, blind spots check. If somebody coming really fast, would you gonna move, or you gonna wait them to go past you?
Wait.
What if they're really far and you feel I can move and they're not gonna slow down? Then what would you do?
Then,
so they're really far.
Then I go.
Yes, then you can go.
Yes.
But make sure you must do your blind shoulders check though, yeah? Okay, shall we do it?
Yeah.
Right, let's drive off whenever you are ready, please, for me. Stop. Thank you very much. I will not ask you to do this exercise again. Drive off when you're ready, please, for me.